Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on automatic gimbal calibration in your DJI Mavic Pro. So to do this you have to click on the three dots in the right upper corner and then go for this icon. Next, when we are right here, we can find options. It's the automatic calibrate gimbal, and right now we can just simply click on it once and our device will automatically perform the calibration. There is also the manual option, so take a look how we can do this right here. And you can click done. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.